Well, here we are again in my home kitchen, cooking our asses off, so your holidays are that much more delicious. Today, I have the ultimate turkey gravy. Here's the good news. You can make it really any flavor, so it could be like chicken, beef, whatever, but you know, holidays are coming up, probably gonna be turkey. And it's based off of the most decadent gravy known to man, which is a French gravy called Jus Gras. So it's, you know, juice, right? Like pan juice, gras fat. It's super fatty juice, super fatty gravy. We're going to be making a super easy hacked version for your turkey season this year, right? For Thanksgiving season. So store-bought broth, you can add gelatin, a little bit of xanthan, and then you can buzz in any fat. Hot butter or hot olive oil, or my favorite, the Chef Steps Thanksgiving infused oil, which is this beauty. It just smells like Thanksgiving in a jar, and you can put it on anything. Oh my God. It's basically like fresh bay and caramelized onions and thyme and roasted garlic and lemon peel, pepper. It's amazing stuff. And then you just maybe add a little lemon or season it, but it's insane. Again, any broth, low sodium. Goes into a pot. So I'm reducing one of these right now, a full one. I'm gonna be concentrating this guy by half. So 750, he's 1/4 reduced from 1,000. So I started at 1,000 grams. Now it's 750. I'm gonna go to 500. Boop. Gelatin has such a huge range of how much you can put in. Like you can put in none, or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 10%, and it'll just be like a little bit more like sticky and savory. That gelatin's like really nice soluble protein. Xanthan, be a little bit careful and just like add, watch the texture, and just let it thicken a little bit. And then as you add oil, it'll get even thicker. Woo! You don't have to add this much, but why not if you got it? It just makes it that much yummier. I'm gonna add it, let it hydrate, soak. You can even do this. Barely put the lid on. Go slow, minimum. Oh yeah. Easy. Easy. Xanthan, 1% would be 5 grams. A fifth of that, which is 0.2, would be 1 gram. So that's all we need there. That's 0.25, 0.35 xanthan. So for half a liter, that's all we need. So teaspoon xanthan. Start with less though, because you can always add more. So here's what happens. We know we hit start. See, I'm going slow and showing you, but I'm trying to talk through as the blender is going on. But normally I just turn on the blender and you go sprinkle, 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 done. I'm gonna let that hang out for now. So, fat, the gras part. That's the jus part. This is the gras part. This is the Chef Steps Thanksgiving oil. Crazy yummy, super infused. Yummy. Let's taste it before we go any further. Yeah. Pepper. And we're just gonna adjust it Add a little salt, a little lemon, lots of pepper. Love my pepper. Looks like gravy, looks like that stuff that's made with the flour, but it's not, it's thickened with fat. It's like gravy mayonnaise. Dude, so good. This is like the ultimate decadent gravy this year. Jus Gras. Yum. Dude, let's put it on something.